na GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampyon. And ang fourth and last game natin ngayon ay ihahatid ng USI Falcons versus the ATENEO Golden Knights. And also before we start the game, we will offer a moment of silence and I'm sorry, mamaya pala yun. Kaya ngayon aabangan natin kung ano ba ang pasiklaban ng ihahatid ng Golden Knights versus the USI Falcons. And ngayon na nag-ready na ang both team. And syempre, hindi natin kakalimutang pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Congressman Gabby Bordado of 3rd District, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, globally competitive, choose Mariners. We also have Cafe Amigo, Pechilitos Resort, Own Style Graphic Design Services, AET Ads, Flowers and Beyond, Department of Tourism Region 5 and GNTV-Naga. We also have Wow Worlds of Water, Lemon Residences located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, Nagayana Travel and Tours, NCF Driving School, Converge ICT Solution, NCF Training Pool, Capazon Peñaflor, NCF Wings, because tigers can have a wing. So we also have Mangkok's Kinalas, Kape ni Manoy, and Doña Osang Catering Services. And for a quick update, tatawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kaz kasama ang Golden Knights team. Hi Kaz, ano ang update na ibibigay mo galing dyan?
Hi Francis and Russell, right now I am with the head coach of the Ateneo Golden Knights, Coach Nuki. Coach, last time your team offered a great match against their opponent. With this, we would like to know what are we going to expect from the Golden Knights for this match?
From my players and yung team namin, we still do what we do. We respect our opponent, no matter what team it is. We respect them. We will still play the Ateneo brand of basketball. Our system will still run on this game. Nothing will change. The game plan is still the same. Mahina man o malakas yung kalaban kasi may mga rookies din ako na kailangan pa mag-improve, especially sa ganitong game. Ito yung time nila and chance nila makapasok sa game, unlike nung kapag ang game ay medyo tight and close yung game. So mahirap minsan ipasok yung mga rookies and yung nag-gain pala ng experience. So yun, in relation with that, system will still be the same. Our game plan will still be the same from our game 1 to game 2 and now to game 3.
Thank you very much, Coach Nuki. Surely we should expect nothing but the best from the Golden Knights. Yan muna ang latest. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat Cassandra sa update na thank you kay coach ng ATENEO Golden Knights. And to give you a review, dalawang panalo na po ang naibigay ng ATENEO Golden Knights, and ang USI Falcons naman wala pa nga napapanalo sa Bucal Season 4. Pero aabangan natin yan syempre kung dito na babawiin ng USI Falcons, or kung bibigay na ba nila ang kanilang first win ng dito sa Bucal Season 4. And syempre papasalamatan natin ang Bucal volunteers or student volunteers. We have the gatekeepers, logistics, secretariat, and auditors headed by Miss Alex Benemerito. And before we start the game, we will offer this moment of silence and prayer for the eternal repose of Miss Irish Payonga.
When we offer a moment of silence and offer a prayer to others. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Senyora, and kami po ang makakasama ninyo sa fourth and last game ngayong day 6 ng Bucal. And to give us a quick update, tawagin natin ang kasama ni courtside reporter na si Joyce kasama ang USI Falcons. Hi Joyce, ano ang nakalap mo nga balita dyan?
Hi Frances and Russell, and good evening basketball fans. Here we are again at ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium for the Bucal Season 4. And with me is the coach of USI Falcon, Coach Ali. Coach Ali, will it matter to you that the USI Falcon is playing against ATENEO Golden Knights?
Isang magandang experience to para sa very young team. Kasi kilala ang Ateneo na very magaling, basta maganda ang reputation nila sa basketball. Basta magandang experience to para sa amin. Para sa susunod na season, handang-handa na rin kami.
Thank you, Coach Ale, and we'll see if really the USI Falcons will perform well tonight. Back to you guys.
Thank you very much sa ating courtside reporter all the way from the bench of the USI Falcons. Joyce, maraming salamat and all the best sa ating USI Falcons.
And kita-kita Russell last game and gabi na, pero halos sa puno pa rin yung bench dito sa ATENEO Gymnasium. Maraming salamat sa aming
Maraming
live
salamat
audience.
sa ating live audience. At the center, we witnessed the first five of both teams. We have number 19, number 18, number 3, number 14, and number 13 of the ATENEO Golden Knights. While in the USI Falcons, we have number 17, number 7, number 6, number 25, and number 23. Game time! First ball possession was given to the USI Falcons. Kick out to number 7. Number 7, finding his teammate, fires for a 3-point, or no good, rebounded by the ATENEO Golden Knights. Number 19, Alvario, pass to number 3, fires for a 3-pointer, no good. Matando si number 18 to get second chance opportunity. Nagawa ng bola. Kuha pa rin ang ATENEO Golden Knights, but there's That's gonna be the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
And dito, Russell, titingnan natin yung kung may advantage ba talaga yung height advantage ng Golden Knights. Kasalatang halata naman yung pagkakaiba ng height and width.
Makikita natin yun. At yun nga, 2-pointer from number 19 of the Ateneo Golden Knights. First point of our game time is given to our from number 19. Loader shot, and he uses the glass. That's good for 2 by number 6 of the USI Falcons, Remo Lawrence. Number 3, finding his teammate. Pass to number 14. Pass to the big man. Number 19 drives, kicks out to number 13. Fakes, number 3. No good. Gawa ng bola. And the ball will remain to the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
And 2-all pa rin ang ating score. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Mababa pa para sa ating first quarter.
Ayun. May nakita ang ating referee. That's gonna be the foul. Number 6. Napakagandang laro yung kanina, di ba, Frances? Yung mga nanonood kanina siguradong excited, halo-halo emosyon.
Yung CCDI Wildcats at CF Tigers, maniguradong nakabang pa rin sila ngayon sa ating Facebook Live.
Yes. Mga kaibigan, wag na wag niyo pong kalimutan to share and like our Facebook pages. Bucal Facebook page and DNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon Facebook page. And you can send stars, di ba, partner? Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtutok.
Oh, na thank you for the shout out. That's good.
That's gonna be a violation. Turnover from the side of the Golden Knights. The USA Falcons now. Number 6, goal play. Number 25, finding his teammate. Number 25 drives, kicks out to number 18. Parang doon si number 18 to stop him. Labanan to ng magkapit-bahay. Wow, magkalabit lang.
Halos 5-minute walk lang.
5-minute walk lang.
And,
Partner. Napakataas na taluno ni number 3. Nagawa ng bola. Remain on the side of the USI Falcons.
And special thanks to Mr. Freddy Aguas, Regional Director of the Department of Tourism, Regional 5. And Miss Kay Floriano, Batang Surbiyahe. And thank you din kay Miss Mars Aliniante, Flowers and thank you so much po.
Maraming salamat po, our dear sponsors. Number 7, Binks, finding his teammate. Fires for a long 3. That's an air ball. Ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Number 14. Rebound the ball. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Calling for a play. Pass to number 14. Kicks out to number 13. Mario, finding his teammate. Finds on the inside man. Hires for a 2-pointer. Pero may kasamang foul. That's gonna be a shooting foul. Step on the line. First 2 free throws.
And sabi ni Jordan Anshiri Hernandez, go Philip Calieja. Go USI, woo! Sabi ni Rory Floresca.
Latang-latang excitement ng ating mga supporters sa online road. Siyempre, hindi pagpapatalo ang ating mga supporters dito sa live audience. Number 18. No good, but number 3 is there for a second chance opportunity and he converted it with a point. Number 3 of the Golden Knights. Number 5, finding his teammate. Number 6, floater shot, no good. Number 3 rebounded the ball, securing the basket. Number 19, Almario. Heavily guarded, crosses over, drives, makes, kicks out to number 18, but that's gonna be a foul. Number 18. That's
Wala ngayon ng UFI.
offensive foul ang itatawag sa ating number 18 of the Golden Knights.
And pasalamatan na muna natin yung ating Bucal executives. So we have a founder name is Father Danilo Imperial, President Engineer Mario Villanueva, Vice President Joel Rosales, Secretary Ron Rason, Treasurer Dexter Eric Laro, Auditor Mr. Dwight Langit, and board members Francisco Barra Jr. and John Francis Real Lubin, and Season 4 Secretary Sofia Benedito.
Maraming salamat sa ating Bucal executive, and kanina lang we witnessed the transition play of the Golden Knights, and Jerome Almario converted it into a point. We only have 5 minutes and 48 seconds left sa ating first quarter, 7 against 2. The Golden Knights is leading by 5. Number 17, Ravalo inbounding the ball. Pass to number 13, drives, spin move, no good. Inbounded by number 3. Pass to number 19. Transition play, ang papakita sa atin ng Golden Knights, but they pause for a moment. Setting a play. Kicks out for a 3-pointer. Number 14, no good. Napakagandang box out yun, partner. Nakita mo ba yun? Dalawa yung napigilan ng ating Falcons just to get the rebound.
Kita-kita yan sa malinaw na live coverage ng mga GNN Sports.
Kahit sabihin na natin may konting height advantage, pero they still manage to protect the basket and prevent them from getting the ball.
When 5 minutes and 25 seconds para sa ating first quarter score natin ay 7-2 na lamang ang Ateneo Golden Knights.
Golden Knights to show us an inbound play, corner 3-pointer. That was number 19
Almario.
of the Golden Knights, Almario. Number 16, pass to number 7. Number 7 drives the ball, tries to penetrates, no good. But may nakita ang ating referee. That's gonna be a foul. Holding foul. Ball possession of the Golden Knights. And the Golden Knights now in the penalty situation. Meron ng 15 fouls ang ating Golden Knights. So every foul dito, meron na silang sa free throw line.
And sabi ni Dia Calma dyan sa ating FB Live comments section na shout out po and happy birthday kay Ali Agtarap Agnas. Happy birthday and maraming salamat sa pagtutok.
Happy birthday po sa iyo. We only have 4 minutes and 58 seconds left. And our score is 11-2. Ateneo Golden Knights leading by 9. Number 25. Calling for a play. Pass to number 6. Heavily guarded by number 14. Number 6 pass to Whitman. Number 7 kicks out to number 6. Fires for 3. No good. Pero andun ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights to defend the basket and get the rebound. Number 19 behind the basket pass. Behind the back pass. No good. At nandun si number 23 to stop him making a point. What? Number 17. Number 19, Jerome Almario. What a Euro step! Highlight play para si Jerome Almario.
Yawan na ating live audience.
Number 16. I think it's him. Heavily guarded by number 14. Steal by number 19, Jerome Almario. But that's gonna be a traveling violation. Karoon lang ng miscommunication. We have a timeout called by the Ateneo Golden Knights with 3 minutes and 48 seconds left sa ating first quarter. 13 against 2. Ateneo Golden Knights leading by 11. And we're still live here at ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium, and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
You are watching Bucal Season 4 live on a GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon at Ateneo Golden Knights versus the USI Falcons. And meron na lamang tayong 3 minutes and 48 seconds para sa ating first quarter. Lamang pa rin ang Golden Knights team.
Ayun na. Full court trap ang pinapakita sa atin ng Golden Knights. Napagandang full court trap yun. They managed to steal the ball. Sayang yun. Number 11. Fires for 3. No good. Nabigan ng bola. And the ball possession will remain on the side of the USI Falcons. Shoutout sa iyo, Manuel Carino. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok. Corner shot, 3-pointer from the USI Falcons. Number 14, 3-pointer, no good. Gawa ng bola sa ere. And the USI Falcons got the ball. But still by number 19 and number 11 stop that transition play ng Golden Knights.
And sa mga nagtatanong po, ito po ang fourth and last game ngayong araw. And bukas po, apat na game muli ang maglalaban-laban dito sa Mars.
Inbound play ngayon. Ipapakita ng Golden Knights. Number 19, pass to number 18. Number 19, 3-pointer, no good. Rebounded by number 23 of the Golden Knights. Number 3, tatawagan.
makikita dito sa Ateneo Gymnasium yung mga nag-cheer sa gilid katabi ng mga handa. 5 steps sila.
Ayun. Meron naman sila. Nakapag-organize na. Shout out sa ating supporters ng Golden Knights and supporters of the USI Falcons. And to give us an update during the timeout, we welcome you, our courtside reporter, Cass. Hello Cass, anong update during the timeout?
Hi Russell and Francis, Ateneo Golden Knights started the game with a bang. Ayon nga kay Coach Nuki, kahit sino pa man ang magiging kalaban ng Golden Knights, hindi sila makakampante. Gagawin nila ang best nila para masunod ang game plan at mabigyan ng magandang laro ang Falcons. Yan muna ang latest. Back to you, Russell and Francis.
Much Cass sa yung update from the side of the Golden Knights. Yun nga, Francis, narinig natin, kahit sino daw ang makalaban ng kung hindi sila magpapakampante. Siguro, lahat din.
Sa lahat ng game ay hindi nagpapapante yung Golden Knights. Kasi dalawa na yung 2-0 yung kanilang
Number 18 drives the ball. Oh, good. Pero nakakuha ng foul sa number 18. It's gonna be foul from number 11 of the USA Falcons. Number 18 will step on the line. First 2 free throws.
And sabi ni Jajel General, watching from Qatar, let's go Ateneo, one big fight. And a shout out din kay Camila Palmacada, they're watching here from Las Piñas.
We only have 2 minutes and 8 seconds left sa ating first quarter. 13-5. Ateneo leading by 8. Nagawa ng bola, but the USA Falcons get the rebound. Number 6 in the red, so no good. Ball possession of the Golden Knights. So, nakikita rin natin, Francis, pinapakitang full court trap ng USI Falcons. Number 19, Jerome Almario. Ay, is converted it with a 2 points at may kasama pang foul. And he will step on the line to make his bonus shot.
Napakasipag nitong player na si Almario ng Golden Knights. And tawagin natin na para sa magbigay ng update ang kasama nating courtside reporter na si Joyce, kasama ang USI Falcons. Hi Joyce, kamusta dyan? And ano ang update mo?
Francis and Russell during the timeout, Coach Kian instructing the boys to go play hard on the hard court. Sabi niya pa, the team should exert an extra effort on their defense. Yan muna ang update from this side. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Joyce. Yun nga, napakagandang advice from the head coach of the USA Falcons. Really exert an effort para sa laban na ito. Corner shot, 3-pointer, no good. Bounded by number 13. Pass to number 19. Number 19 crosses over. Diretso. No good, but he still managed to get that offensive rebound. Number 3 now, finding his teammate. Number 3, crossing over. But that's gonna be a traveling violation. Tawag sa atin kay number 3.
Ball possession ng Falcons ngayon.
Intercepted by number 3. That's gonna be a point coming from the turnover from number 3. Number 15. Kicks out to number 17. That's to number 5. That's to number 4. Lapas, but ito si number 14. Intercept the ball. Behind the back. Number 13. Pass to number 19, Almario. Oh, good. What a rejection, pero still managed to get the rebound. He convert it with a point. Diretso, and that's gonna be the end of our first quarter. 21-5. Ateneo Golden Knights leading the first quarter. Wag na wag mo kayong haalis. Nandito pa rin kami. Ateneo Naga University Gymnasium. And you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang aksyon dito sa loob ng hard court. 21-5 ang ating score, and papasok ng tayo sa ating second quarter, and lamang pa rin ang Golden Knights.
Ayun. Number 12 of the Golden Knights will inbound the ball. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 12. That's going to be a foul. USA Falcons, number 17. Number 1. Napagandang defense ang pinapakita ng ating USA Falcons. Pass to number 7. Kicks out to number 1. Number 1 drives the ball. Finds his teammate. No good. Pero doon, number 16 to stop him from that pass. Number 7, inbound the ball from the end line. Pass to number 12, pero to number 5, intercepted by number 5. What a defense by the USI Falcons. Number 17. And it's step back 3 by number 17. That's Mamalo Roque. Number 12, the derecho. Nice fake. Uses the glass. No good. Pero wala. Rebounded by number 17. Number 17 drives the ball. Pero nakakuha ng foul si number 17. 21-8. 3 minutes and 59 seconds left sa ating first quarter.
And a shout out kay Greg and Brent, ay galingan nyo. Sabi yan ni Rory Floresta.
First shot is good for number 17. Sabi ni Dito Des Agravante, go, set, anak. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta. Number 12, diretso, floater shot, and is going for that shot by number 12. Number 17 now, heavily guarded by number 12. Top pass, number 6. Number 16, three-pointer, no good. Rebounded by number 2 of the Golden Knights. Number 12. Reach out to number 1 for a three-pointer, no good. Nandun ang depensa ng ating USA Falcons. Number 17, diretso. And on the drive by number 17. Number 25, up, pass to number 2. That's gonna be stepping on the line. Or I'm sorry. It's gonna be a foul. It's gonna be a foul by number 4 of the Golden Knights.
In the
Of the USA Falcons.
Tayo sa USA Falcons, pasok si number 11 and number 7 and pahinga muna si Rafael and Rosal.
Ayun, napaka-efficient ngayon. Number 1 has the ball. Napitawan yung bola. That's gonna be a turnover from the side of the Golden Knights. Ball possession of the USA Falcons. We only have 7 minutes and 38 seconds left sa ating second quarter with 23-12. Number 7. Pass to number 5 for a corner 3 and it's good! For that corner 3, number 5 will be given a 1 free throw bonus to complete the 4-point play.
Ayun, kompleto nga ni Wego yung 4-point play.
He completes that 4-point play. Parang sa pag-commentator ko ngayon lang ako naka-encounter nun na magkaroon ng 4-point play. Number 7 drives the ball at nakakuha pa ng foul. Kung sa ating USA Falcons mayroong 4-point play, tignan naman natin sa Golden Knights kung magkakaroon din ng 3-point play.
And then now to give us a quick update, tawagin natin ang kasama nating courtside correspondent na si Joyce all the way from the USA Falcons. Hi Joyce, ano ang update mo dyan?
Francis and Russell during the huddle, Coach Kiat said to the boys that do their best inside the hard court and execute properly the backs out, be flexible and adjust if necessary. Sabi pa ni Coach, don't do ball watching. Yan muna ang latest from the USA Falcons side. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Joy, sa yung update. Yun nga, sabi ng head coach ng ating USA Falcons, execute the play and be flexible inside the hard court. At yun nga, nakita natin, 3-pointer again from Fuego, number 5. Yun nga, napakabilis mahabol ng USA Falcons sa ating Golden Knights. 4 na lang ang hinahabol ng USA Falcons. Tatawagan ng foul si number 12. We have a timeout called by Ateneo Golden Knights with 6 minutes and 15 seconds left sa ating second quarter. 25-21. 4 na lang po ang hinahabol ng ating USI Falcons. We're still live here at ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium and you're still watching on GN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. 6 minutes and 15 seconds para sa ating second quarter. And lamang pa rin ang Golden Knights.
We'll see. From this inbound play, they will cut the lead of the Golden Knights into 2. Or 1 kung makakapuntos pa rin ng 3 points ang ating USA Falcons. Number 11, finding his teammate. Mid-range jumper, no good. Rebounded by number 2, pass on number 7. Pero ando si number 16 to get that steal. Number 16, Euro step. Kuha ng bola, pero ando ng ating Golden Knights. Defend the basket. Number 1, fakes. No good. Rebounded by number 7. Number 7. It's gonna be a foul. Foul called to number 7 of the USA Falcons.
And substitution, ipapasok muli si number 17 na Ravalo ng Falcons.
Number 7 will step on the line. First 2 given free throw. No good. Jump. Habang nag-free throw si number 7, let's call in our courtside reporter all the way from the bench of the Golden Knights. Hello, Cass. Anong update during the timeout?
Enter the hard court on the second quarter and to execute a full man-to-man defense. They are also in but they must fulfill their obligations. That's the reason the Golden Knights back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Cass, sa update from the timeout of the Golden Knights. Yun nga, sabi ni Coach Nuki, execute the play and paigtingin pa ang kanilang one-on-one defense. Long 3-pointer, pero napalakas lang ang 3 points nila. Number 35, finding his teammate, pass to number 7, takes number 7. Ball possession of the Golden Knights.
5 minutes and 13 seconds para sa ating second quarter.
Comes out to number 25. Pass to number 2, the big man. Pass to number 7. Napalakas lang. Pasang nun. That's gonna be over. The side of the Golden Knights.
Doon pa rin yung energy ng Golden Knights. Doon yung napapalakas na pwersa sa pagpasok.
Yes, indeed. I agree, partner. Number 17. Crossing over. Passing. Pass. Inside pass. Number 4. Pero ito ang ating Golden Knights sa defense quarter. Use of play. Number 1. Good pointer by number 1. Number 5. Emily Garvey, number 25. But still the ball. At tatawagan ng offensive foul si number 5. Natin sa ating replay.
Pa-shoutout po kay Xavier Emmanuel Pasiona, galing kay JC Claro.
Number 25. Pass number 12. Pass number 5. Long 3-pointer. No good. Rebounded by number 5 of the USA Falcons. Number 17. Short jumper is good. For that shot. Number 17. Number 12. Number 12. Pass to the big man. Pero nakuha number 5. There's a steal with the Golden Knights. Number 2, short jumper, no good. Rebounded by number 5. Pass to number 17, Ravalo. Ball is over. ko sa play ng ating USA Falcons. They're having a fast-paced play. Kanina pa, and they are really efficient in that kind of play.
And andun na rin yung rebound ng USI Falcons kahit may height advantage ng Golden Knights.
At yun na nga, we have a timeout called by the USA Falcons with 3 minutes and 39 seconds left. 27 to 24, apat rin ang inahabol ng ating USI Falcons. We are still live here at ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium and you're still watching on GNTV Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Tuloy-tuloy ang aksyon dito sa loob ng ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium. 3 minutes and 39 seconds para sa ating second quarter and 4 points pa ang lamang ng Golden Knights side. And shout out po kay Nico Cuesta Navarroza galing kay Cramivel Barha. And shout out din po sa inaanak ko na pogi na watching this game too, JC Claro galing yan kay Noli Ayo. Thank you so much po sa aming FB Live viewers.
Again, don't forget to share and like our Facebook page.
Yun, Bucal Facebook page, GNN Sports TV Facebook page, and GNTV.
Number 4, short jumper, and it's good. For that shot, number 4, or the USI Falcons.
Rosales.
Number 2. Jump ball. Ateneo pa rin ang bola.
And lumiit ay yung lamang ng Ateneo, 2 points.
Dalawa na lang ang inahabol ng USI Falcons. Number 25, Lopez. Drives the ball. Pass to the inside man. Parang bola, pero nakuha pa rin si Lopez. Pass to number 2. Uses the glass. It's good for a 2-pointer. Number 2 of the Golden Knights. Number 17, calling a play. Long 3-pointer, and it's good! good! Number 17, Avalo. Number 1, babawi niya. No good. Ganun daw si number 7.
For sure, proud na proud yung family and friends ni Ravalo. Napakasipag niya ngayong first and second starter.
Very sure, partner. 3-pointer, wala pa rin sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Nakuha pa nila for the third chance opportunity. Bata daw si number 4 to reject the shot. Number 12 still managed to get the rebound, pero that's a 24 shot clock violation. Turnover para sa ating Golden Knights.
Yung isang puntos na lang ang lamangan ng Golden Knights team.
Napakagandang laro ang pinapakita sa atin.
Yung laban.
Number 17. Number 17. Drives. Oh, good. Goes to number 12 to get the rebound. Finding his team. Pass to number 25 for a 3-pointer. No good. The second chance opportunity rebounded by number 1. Number 2. Napagandang pass sana noon. Number 7. It's good for a shot at may kasama pa foul. Lamang po ang ating USI Falcons.
Bilog talaga ang bola, Russell. Kita-kita naman sa laro na pinapakita ng USI Falcons and the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Indeed, I would agree. Francis. Number 17 on the line. For a 3-point play opportunity. Wala ng ating Golden Knights. Number 12. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 7. Ang bola na bitawan. Kuha ng ating USA Falcons. No good for that drive, but still managed to rebound it. Ganun si number 2 to get the steal. Number 1. Number 1. Uses the glass pero nakakuha ng foul. That's not counted. 7 is now on his 4th personal foul.
Substitution tayo sa USI Falcons side. Pinasa kasi Rosales number 4 and si number
Number 1 on the line. And it's good for his first throw. Sabi ni Jericho de Lima, go USI!
grabe ang turnover, sabi naman yan, Erica.
Sabi na nga. Good for his two free throws. Limang ulit ng isa ang ating Golden Knights. Number 16, finding his teammate. Pass to the inside man. What a 2-pointer by number 23. We only have seconds to play para sa ating second quarter. Number 2. Pass to number 25. Corner 3-pointer. Oh, good. Nandun si number 1 to get that rebound. Pass to number 2. Number 12. Number 25. 3-pointer. Again, wala pa rin. Gawa ng bola. At ako pa rin natin number 25. Behind the back pass. No good for number 2. At tatawagan ng foul. Si number 16.
Sobrang exciting nga ng laban ang higay ng USI Falcons sa Golden Knights. Halos hindi nagkakalayo yung puntos. Ngayon na 1 point yung lamangan ng ating USI Falcons.
Napakainit ang ating laban ngayong gabi, mga kaibigan. Gabi na ba? Oh, good evening to our online supporters. Number 25 is on the line to make his 2 free throws. And it's good for his first throw. Second throw, jumper's ready. 2 free throws made by number 25. Number 16, heavily guarded by number 25. Napagandang pressure noon. Wala pa rin sa number 16. Number 6, spin move. And a floater shot, no good. Rebounded by number 12. Only have 7 seconds left to play. Number 25 kicks out to number 2. 3-pointer. No good. That is number 7. But that's gonna be the end of our second period. 33 to 32. Ateneo leading by 1 sa ating second period. Mga kaibigan, tutok lang po kayo. Live kami dito sa ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium. You're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Right back.
Good day, everyone. I am Joyce Bernadette Ann Pampalan, 20 years old, BSTM student of Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, Naga City Campus, and one of your courtside reporters, this Bucal, Season 4. During my elementary days, I am an arnis player and I compete up until the palarong panlalawigan, both combative and likhang anyo, single or double baston. This Bucal Season 4, please do expect me to give my very best to deliver to you all the happenings inside the game court.
Mas pinalinaw, mas pinalakas, mas pinalawak. Ang GNN TV48 Naga, digital na! Kung ang inyong TV sets ay digital ready na, pindutin ang scan o search channel button at makikita ang GNN TV Channel 48. Maaaring gumamit ng indoor o outdoor antenna para sa mas klarong panonood. Ganito rin ang gagawin kung kayo ay gumagamit ng digital box. Sa mga susunod na araw, asahan ang mga programang malapit sa puso ng mga Bicolano.
Naghahanap ka ba ng one-day printing? Look for AET Ads. We offer tarpaulin printing, billboards, panflex, laser cutting, and stainless for quality signages and many more. Your signage is the face of your business. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? I-level up mo na ang signages at billboard mo. Matatagpuan sa Pabidon 4, Door 5, Panganiban Drive, Naga City, in front of Boy Scout and Girl Scout of the Philippines. Sa Central Branch, located at Barangay Dinaga, Naga City, sa Albay, Barangay Sagbon, Daraga Albay. For inquiries, you may call or text at 205-5322 or 0998-952-7485 and look for Mr. Willis Soliman. AET Ads ka na, your one-day quality printing. Magsama-sama tayong magbalitaan at kwentuhan dito sa GNTV-48 Naga.
Hi everyone, I am Cassandra A. Seton, taking up secondary education specializing in English at ATENEO Naga University, and I am one of the courtside reporters this Bucal Season 4. Some of my hobbies are first playing volleyball. I just do it during my free time. I'm also a reading advocate. I love reading. And I am also into hostings and likewise, of course, public speaking. It's such an honor for me to be part of Bucal Season 4, knowing that this is my very first time being a courtside reporter. It would be a good opportunity for me to grow and also to be more knowledgeable and involved when it comes to sports. Expect me to be more dedicated in sharing the stories of each player as well as sharing what is happening in the team during their game.
Sa oras ng sakuna, isa sa mga kailangan natin sa ating tahanan ay isang go bag. Ang isang go bag ay naglalaman ng tubig, mga dilata at biscuits upang hindi tayo magutom, energy bars or energy drink, first aid kit, communication devices tulad ng flashlights at batteries, whistles o pito, portable radio, at extra cellphone. Mas mabuti kung meron tayong prepaid load guard. Tools, tulad ng Swiss knife at gunting. Maaari din tayo magdagdag ng lubid. At huwag natin kakalimutan ang hygiene kit na naglalaman ng sabon, tissue, toothpaste, toothbrush, at face mask. Sa lahat ng oras, laging bukas, nakahanda ang aming tanggapan. Tandaan, ang Bicolanong alerto, pirming protektado.
So ngunyan yaw kita digdi sa World of Water, oh wow, so ngunyan lihilangan tapo ang machine. Located at Dorque Doña Elena Building, J. Miranda Avenue, Naga City, owned and managed by Mr. Albert Ian Infeliz. For inquiries, call or text 0947-592-6867 or 0995-146-4011. Wow! World of Water, your water treatment partner! This event is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions. Enroll now for as low as 2,000 pesos. For more details, visit www.ncf.edu.ph. Lemon Residences, your newest home of the champions and the metro. Open for daily, weekly, and monthly bookings. Located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, and enjoy a sip of coffee and Septus meals at Tiger's Cafe, located at second level of Lemon Residences. Dream travel? Achieve yan sa Nagayon Travel and Tours. Enjoy a hassle-free travel with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Visit their office at NCF Annex Building, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, or call us 0966-486-0043. At NCF Annex Building, there is the Tiger's Loft, a business center that first to offer a co-working space in Naga. Grow your business at the Tiger's Loft. Swim like a champion at NCF Training Pool. Avail their swimming lessons at a very affordable rates. Contact Coach Joseph Tena at 0949-447-2792. Drive with confidence with NCF Driving School. Avail their theoretical driving course and practical driving course. For beginners, NCF Driving School is LTO accredited.
Welcome in the Half Basketball fans, and ihahatid na po namin sa inyo ang halftime analysis para sa ating first 20 minutes of action. Kaya po rin.
Maraming salamat, Frances. And before we start the third quarter, alamin natin yung performances ng ating dalawang teams during the first half. At sa 2-point field goals, hindi nagkakalayo ang ating USA Falcons and Golden Knights. The Golden Knights, they have 42.86%, while the USA Falcons, they have 36.84%. Pero sa 3-point field goals, doon lumamang ang ating USA Falcons. They have 38.46%. Kaya siguro dito nakahabol, and sa basa napansin natin yung turnovers ng Golden Knights. They have 16 turnovers, while the USA Falcons, meron lang silang siyam na turnovers. Pero sa second chance points, merong 8 points ang ating Ateneo. And dun sa starter points natin, medyo hindi rin nagkakalayo ang Golden Knights and USA Falcons. Golden Knights has 21, while the USA Falcons has 18. So talagang napaka-init ng labanan, napaka-gigitan ating labanan. Indeed, this is a really close fight, mga kaibigan. Back to the ball game tayo. Number 55, tatawagan ng foul.
Maraming salamat sa aming statisticians para sa halftime analysis.
Bola ng ating USA Falcons. Number 5, heavily guarded. Number 17. Three-pointer for number 17. And it's good for his three-pointer. Number 17. Kanina pa to. Rona, napakainit ng kamay ni number 17. Number 55, diretso. Corner shot to number 28. No good. wanted by the USL Falcons. Tabla na ang ating laban, mga kaibigan. 35 all.
And meron pa tayong 8 minutes and 40 seconds sa ating third quarter.
Buwan ng bola, number 23, no good. Pero still managed to get the ball. And the ball possession will remain to the side of the USI Falcons.
Shout out po kaya Clark Allen Sarte Puerta, galing yan kaya Anto ng Quadrante.
That's gonna be the 24 shot clock violation. Turnover sa ating USI Falcons. Number 28 across the court. Number 28. That's gonna be a 3 seconds violation. Itawag sa ating Golden Knights. Turnover. Ball possession of the USI Falcons.
And pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation na Congressman Gabi Bordado of 3rd District Partners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, globally competitive Choose Mariners, Cafe Amigo, Richelitos Resort, Camsur Viaje, Old Style Graphic Design Services, Flowers and Beyond, AEC Ads, Department of Tourism, Region 5, we also have SM City Naga, Wild Worlds of Water, Lemon Residences located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, Nagayon at Travel Tours, NCF Driving School, Converge ICT Solution, NCF Training School, Kapazona Peña Floor, NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings, Macox Kinalas, Kape ni Manay, and Doña Osa na Catering Services.
Maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors. And to give us an update from the side of the Golden Knights, let's call in our courtside reporter. Hello, Cass. Anong update dyan?
Hi, Russell and Francis. A new batch of Power 5 joined the hardcourt for the third quarter. The players are reminded of the game plan that is supposed to be followed. Coach Nuki hopes that the Golden Knights learn from what happened in the second quarter and avoid repeating it in the third quarter. They are ordered to follow what they are tasked to do. Be mindful of the situations and their mind should be on the game. That's the recent update from the side of the Golden Knights. Back to you, Russell and Francis.
Yun, maraming salamat, Cass, sa update from the side of the Golden Knights. Ayun na nga, nakasabit si number 26, nakakuha ng foul, an opportunity for a 3-point play. You only have 6 minutes and 42 seconds left sa ating third quarter, 39-37. Lamang ng dalawa ang ating Golden Knights. No good for that second chance opportunity, pero andun sa number 55. What a hustle play. Nakita sa atin ni number 55. Number 7. Foul. Number 75. Number 7 of the USA Falcons. The step on the line. First 2 free throws.
Ayan. Free throw ngayon si Quinto, ang big man ng USI Falcons.
And that's Pinto. No good for his first throw. Last throw. Jumpers ready. No good. Pero andun pa rin ang ating USA Falcons. Number 17. Long 3-pointer. No good. Wanted by number 26. Number 26. Crossing the court. Pass to number 55. Setting a play for the Golden Knights. Number 55, long three-pointer, no good.
Foul number 55. Bucal, your second personal foul.
Ball possession of the USI Falcons. What a defense. Ayun nga, nakakuha ng steal si number 75. And it's good for the layup drive. And got a timeout called by the USI Falcons with 5 minutes and 27 seconds left sa ating third quarter. 43 to 37. Labang po ang ating Golden Knights. And we're live here at ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang aksyon na dito sa loob ng hardcourt. USI Falcons versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. And meron na lang tayong 5 minutes and 27 seconds para sa ating third quarter. And lamang pa rin ang team ng Golden Knights.
Ayun. Welcome you to the 5 minutes remaining ng ating third quarter.
And for an update, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Joyce all the way from the USI Falcons.
Francis and Russell during the halftime kanina, Coach Jeffries commended the team for their good performance. He also said to maintain the good energy but double the efforts. Kanina lang during the timeout, Coach Jeffries said to communicate with the team and backs out properly. He also instructed the team to continue the offense strategy but improve and strengthen the defense. Sabi pa nga ni Coach Kian, we start this strong, we end this strong. That's the latest from this side. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Joyce, sa update galing sa ating side ng USI Falcons.
We start this strong, we end this strong. Napakaganda ng sinabi.
At kaabang-abang yun, Francis. Abang-abang yun. Huwag kayong kukurap sa ating lawanan ngayon. This is a close fight. And I would like to greet my good happy birthday, Manny Candelaria. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Happy birthday sa iyo, idol. Number 7. Pass number 23. 25. Still by number 31. Tatawagan ng foul sa number 25. Shoutout sa'yo, Luis J. Atapor.
Kaya nakita sa replay kung ano ang nangyari kanina.
And we have a timeout called by the Ateneo Golden Knights with 4 minutes and 27 seconds left. The score natin 39-46. Ateneo pa rin ang ating lamang. Dito pa rin kami sa Ateneo Naga University Gymnasium and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon. We will be right back.
We are back live here at Ateneo Naga University Gymnasium para ihatid sa inyo ang mga kaabang-abangan na aksyon na dito sa loob ng hard court. 39-46 ang ating score and lamang po ang Ateneo Golden Knights and meron na lamang tayong 4 minutes and 37 seconds para sa ating third quarter.
Ball possession ng ating Golden Knights. Number 31 looking for his teammate. Pass to number 26. Number 55 calling for a play. Number 55 drives and it's good for that layout drive by number 55 of the Golden Knights. Full court press na pinapakita sa ating Golden Knights. Number 16 pass to number 7, the big man. Number 7 bounce. No good, that's an air ball. Bola ni ating Golden Knights. Number 55 drives. Wow, the reverse layup. Pinakita sa atin, number 55. 2 consecutive points from number 55. Number 17 will set a play. Number 17 drives. Pero tatawagan ng foul. Number 26. Shoutout sa'yo, Eugene EJ.
Nice one, number 55, Aureliano. Galing yan kay Jam Auro.
Shoutout sa'yo, Ma'am Luis Furio. Ma'am Lotlot.
And pa-shoutout lang po sa former varsity ng Maramba, si Lorenzo Barsena. Balikan na.
Number 55, diretso. And again, two-pointer from number 55 of the Golden Knights. We only have 2 minutes and 56 seconds left sa ating third quarter. Drive by number 11, Naga. Number 26 pushes the glass and it's good for that two-pointer. Number 26, Caballo. Step up three-pointer. And it's good for that three-pointer.
Sweetin yun eh, kala mo di papasok.
By number 11.
Substitution na sa USI Falcons. Pasok si Rosales and pahinga muna si number 17.
Number 16. Finding his teammate, pass to number 11. Shot is over. Number 11. Oh, good. Number 55. Tatawagan ng foul si number 17 ng ating USI Falcons. We only have 1 minute and 44 seconds left sa ating third quarter. 46. Ibang ang ating Golden Knights.
And shoutout po kaya John Cedric Agravante. Galing yan kaya Maricela Nicolas. And mukhang magre-review ang ating mga referee sa backstage.
And once again, don't forget to share and like our Facebook page, mga kaibigan. And shout out ating live audience dito. Diyon, napakita sa atin replay ano ba yung nangyari. Habang naghihintay sa ating referee ng final decision, samata natin ang ating mga fellow Bucal student volunteers. At ayun na nga, tatawagan si number 17 ng unsportsmanlike foul. Number 55 will make the bonus shot. No good. Last throw. It's good for the second throw. Ball possession pa rin ng ating Golden Knights. But they only have 14 seconds in the shot clock. Number 26.
And meron na lamang tayong 1 minute and 36 seconds sa ating third quarter. Lamang pa rin na 9 points sa ATENEO.
drive, diretso, and it's good for that drive by number 55. Number 11, fighting his teammate. Number 17, fires for a three-pointer. No good, pero doon ang ating USA Falcons. At tatawagan ng foul. Number 26. Golden Knights. We only have 1 minute and 7 seconds left sa ating third quarter. 57 to 46.
And may free throw si number 3 Aguilar ng Falcons.
No good, first shot. Ball. USA Falcons will inbound the ball. Number 11. Toss is over. Number 11 drives. Oh good. Bounded by number 26. Number 26. Heavily guarded by number 23. Pass to number 55. Number 55 picks out to number 28. Three-pointer. Oh good pero napalakas. 3-pointer na yun. Number 17 diretso. Fake ng bola. Want the defensive stop by number 26. Sabi ni Patoy Mendoza, go number 5 of USI. Team goal na address. That's a two-pointer, USI Falcons. Only have 27 seconds to play. Number 55! Oh good! Ganun doon sa number 75 for the second chance opportunity. Kita ang ating referee. Number 55. That's gonna be a pushing foul. Number
20 seconds remaining.
Nasa penalty situation na po ang ating USI Falcons. Shoutout sa iyo, Jules Bardahe.
Go Valle, galing yan kay Mila Panaligan.
Shoutout sa iyo, Gigi Peña. No good for the second throw. Mounted by number 75. 15 seconds to play. Pass to number 55. Up to number 26. Three-pointer. And it's good for that three-pointer by number 26. That's gonna be the end of our third quarter. 60 to 48. Lamang ng ating Golden Knights. And we are live here at ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium. And you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back with the fourth and last quarter.
You're still watching Bucal Season 4 live on GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Ito na tayo sa ating fourth quarter.
At magkakaalaman na dito, Francis, kung sino ba ang mananalo ngayon. Number 2. No post play, nakalusot, and it's good for that no post play by number 2. Number 17, fighting his teammate. Pass to number 7, nabitawan yung bola. Number 25, seal the ball. Pass to number 18, kicks out to number 19 for 3. And it's good for that 3-pointer. Number 19, Jerome Malwar. Ay, nakita ang ating referee. That's gonna be a foul.
Shoutout po kaya Ayesa Bulao. Galing yan na kaya Dan and Sis. Nice game, number 31.
Possession of the USL Falcons. Kicks out to number 7. Napalakas lang ang Basa. That's gonna be turned over. Bola ng ating Golden Knights. And mayroong update ang ating kasamahan all the way from the bench of the Golden Knights. Hello, Cass. Anong update dyan?
Hi, Russell and Francis. Before entering the hard court, they are reminded to attack the weak point, find and challenge the strongest from the other team, maintain the lead, and Coach Nuki is challenging the players to have 20-point lead before the last 5 minutes. We will see if the Golden Knights will take on the challenge. That's the latest update from the side of the Golden Knights. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat. Cass, update from the side of the Golden. Challenge Coach Nuki ang kanyang mga players. Kailangan daw, sabi ni Coach Nuki, sina-challenge siya na magkaroon ng 20-point lead. And we'll see kung mangyayari ba yan o pipigilan ng ating USI Falcons. Number 18, rebounded the ball. Jerome Almario drives to a ISABEL foul. And he will step on the line. No free throws.
And speaking of a 20-point lead, 17 points ang lamang ng Golden Knights. 40 na lang Russell. Ma-achieve na yung challenge ni Coach Nuki sa kanyang players.
Yun, nakapasok itong dalawa. No good for his first throw. Numbers ready for the second throw. No good. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Jerome Almario ang rebound. What a hustle. Number 2. Pass to number 18. Fakes. Kicks out to number 25. Fires for 3. No good. Rebounded by the USA Falcons. Number 17. Steal by number 19. Number 19. Go for number 19. Bola natin USA Falcons. Napagandang depensa yon na napakita ng ating Golden Knights. Minutes 13 seconds left sa ating fourth quarter at ito na nga 68 to 48 nangyari na ang challenge Coach Lucas kanyang players. Ang tanong na lang if they will maintain this lead. Ayun, what a shot by Jerome Almario. Number 17. What a crossover move by number 17. 3-pointer, no good. Rebounded by number 7. Turnover still by number 11. Number 5 drives. Pero andun si number 7 to protect the rim. Get the block.
Grabe yung pag-block ni number 7. Parang pinas na yung kamay, hindi na tumalon ng kanya. Okay. Shoutout po kay Sofia Merana Dilayaga. Galing yan kay Alaysa Alvarez.
There's gonna be a miscommunication sa ng ating USA Falcons. Turnover, bola ng ating Golden Knights. Man-to-man defense ang pinapakita ng ating USA Falcons. Pass to number 2. Nabitawan ng bola. Natawagan. Traveling violation. Number 2. Turnover. Side ng Golden Knights. Minutes and 10 seconds left. 70 to 48. Number 5, yun lang, napalakas pata ni number 11. Turnover. Bawian ng turnover dito, Francis.
And as you give us an update, tawagin muli natin ang ating courtside correspondent na si Joyce kasama ang Falcons. Hi Joyce, ano ang nakalapot dyan na balita?
Francis and Russell, the USI Falcons is still optimistic despite of the score in the scoreboard. Coach Jeffries instructed the team during the timeout to backs out properly and focus in the hard court. Sabi pa ni Coach Kian, coordinate with your teammate and be strong. Have an energy na tapatan ang full court man-to-man ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Yan muna ang update from this side. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Joyce, sa update from the side of the USI Falcons. Ayun nga sabi ng ating head coach ng USI Falcons, max out, focus on the game, and coordinate. Kailangan mo yun ating USI Falcons. They really have to coordinate sa loob ng hardcourt.
And sabi ni Jen Ragi, shoutout po kaya Camille Ragrario.
Number 55, getting the rebound. One foul. Number 22. Number 14, Monay. Across the court. Pass to number 2. Number 2. What a move, but no good. Deep in, guarding number 7. Grabe. Full court press doon. Pinapakita ng ating Golden Knights. Number 7, Ridiretso. Plays is over. And it's good.
And 5 minutes and 30 seconds na lang po ang natitirang oras para sa ating fourth quarter. 48-74 ang score lamang pa rin ang Ateneo Golden Knights.
What a steal by number 55. Mag-isa sa front court. Muntikan pang lumabas ang bola. But still good for number 55.
Walang bantay si number 55.
Another steal from the Golden Knights. Pass to number 25. Corner three-pointer. No good. Rebounded by number 17. Number 11, mag-isa sa kabilang side. And good for that two-pointer. Number 55. Number 2. Yun, nakapuno ng foul. Number 23. Ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Substitution. Lalabas muna si number 2, number 25, papasok si number 20, number 13. Number 7. Good for 2 by number 7. Number 35. Pass to number 35. Left by number 12. Turnover. Okay, that's gonna be out of bounds. Pero bola ng ating US Falcons.
Hindi sila kagad nasipa yung bola.
Nasipa yung bola. Last touch ng ating Golden Knights. Ball possession remain to the side of the USA Falcons. What a steal by number 14. Number 14, diretso. Pass to number 12, pass to number 7. Nice play by the Golden Knights.
And yung challenge ni Coach Nuki sa kanyang players na from 20, sumobra na 30 points na lamang na Golden Knights ngayon.
Sayang ng behind the back pass na yun. Atin ang Golden Knights. Shoutout sa iyo, RJ Abner. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok.
Shoutout din kay Arara Viñas, adoptante.
Number 12 of the Golden Knights is on the line to make his 2 free throws. 3 minutes and 26 seconds left sa ating 4th quarter. 80-50 ating labanan ngayon. 30 puntos ang habol ng ating USA Falcons. Substitution, pasok si number 3 ng Golden Knights at magpapahinga na muna sandali si number 7. Full press pa rin. Napakita ng Golden Knights. It's gonna be foul. Ball. Number 14 of ATENEO Golden Knights. Mona.
Hindi napapagod yung ating mga players at hindi rin napapagod yung bandang dala ng ATENEO.
Yes. Maganda pa rin. Napakagandang defense yun. Nakikita ng ating USA Falcons. Number 35. Tough pass. His teammate. Penetrates pero wala. Nandun sa number 13. Pero nakasabit. Nakuha ng foul. Number 22 on the line.
Shoutout po kay Gio Alfred Guzman, galing kay KRN Rilet.
Last shot. Number 22. Oh, good. Rebounded by number 28 of the Golden Knights. Number 12. Also number 14, three-pointer. And it's good for that three-pointer. Number 14.
Oh, nice.
Hold up, 2 minutes and 31 seconds left sa ating 4th quarter. Napakagandang pasa. And number 24. Baited shot. Good for 2 to number 24. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Penetrates. Oh, good. Now to number 27 to get the ball. Number 27. Now pass to number 13. And it's good for the layup drive. Last 2 minutes na lang tayo mga kaibigan. Number 14, once again, 3-pointer, no good. Pero doon si number 3.
Para tapikin na yung bola.
That's Bulgar. Pass to number 13, number 13. Pass to number 22. Tapik na number 13. Ball possession, ating USI.
Aminin na 28 seconds na lang sa ating fourth quarter.
Nice fix. Nice over. Number 35. That's gonna be a traveling violation. Dito tawag ni number 35. Number 20. Number 13. Crosses over. Pass number 36. Corner. 3-pointer. And it's good. For that 3-pointer.
Ang ganda na may nag-crossover and may 3-point shot.
Great. Napakabilis. Takes out to number 35. 3-pointer. Oh, good. Buha ng bola. Buha pa rin ang ating Golden Knights. Pass to number 12. Number 20. They have drive. No good. Pero si number 1 to get for the second chance opportunity at nakakuha pa ng foul. Chance for a 3-point play, and he completes the 3-point play. Pass to number 35. They only have seconds to play. Ay, nasa penalty situation na rin ang ating USI Falcons. Number 35, step on the line for his 2 given free throws. One shot is made. Jumper's ready. No good for his second throw. Bola ng ating Golden Knights. Uh, 13 seconds to play. Number 28. Finding his tip. Consuming the time. That's gonna be the end of our game time. Ateneo Golden Knights will bring home the bacon, 92 to 55. So congratulations sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And kudos pa rin sa ating USI Falcons sa napakagandang laro na pinakita sa atin ng USI Falcons. Huwag na huwag kayong alis mga kaibigan. At sa ating pagbabalik, kikilalanin natin ang ating best player of the game. Once again, Ateneo Golden Knights ang nanalo sa ating laban ngayong gabi. Dito pa rin tayo sa ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium, and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
We are back live here at ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium. And kasama na po ng ating courtside correspondent ang best player of the game. And ang player of the game ay ihahatid sa atin ng Lemon Residences, the newest hotel in the metro, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. And hi Kaza, maaari mo nang ipakilala sa amin ang best player of the game.
Hi, Francis and Russell. With me is the best player of the game, jersey 26, Valle. Congratulations for being the best player of the game. Now, how does being disciplined help you in becoming the best player of the game?
Siyempre, nag-prepare talaga kami mahabang panahon, talagang morning and afternoon nag-prepare kami at disiplina lang sa bawat isa, yun lang. Yun lang po.
Ayan, can you share with us what is the most important lesson you learned in basketball that you could apply in real life?
Siyempre, unang-una yung disiplina sa sarili and time management dahil bilang isang student athlete, kailangan mabalance mo yung pag-aaral mo tsaka yung pag-basketball. Yun lang.
Ayan, once again, congratulations. We are currently live. May gusto ka bang i-greet o pasalamatan?
Unang-una nagpapasalamat ako kay God dahil binigay niya sa amin itong panalo and sana tuloy-tuloy na. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa ATENEO community na laging sumusuporta and siyempre itong game dinedicate namin kay Irish May Payongga. Binabati ko pala yung family ko, yung mga friends ko na nanonood, yung girlfriend ko, yun lang.
Ayan, once again, congratulations. That's it for now. This is Cassandra Seton, courtside reporter of ATENEO. Back to the panel.
After using the clock,